Look, this question, it's 1 plus 1 in the parentheses and 2 is out of parentheses. Means this is a single term, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 2, we will get 4 here. Okay, now 4 and 2 square. What will be the answer of 2 square? 2 square will be equal to 4. Here it was 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2. Our answer will be equal to 0, but remember that is our mistake, because according to PEMDAS, we have to solve parenthesis first and then division. Okay, parenthesis, then here is no sign, so here is multiplication. We will solve parenthesis first to mean our first priority is to solve this parenthesis, which we will get 2. And here is no sign, so we can put multiplication sign and minus 2 square. Now exponent, which will be equal to 4 divided by 2. Okay, now 2 times 2, it will be equal to 4 minus 4 divided by 2. Now, a mistake we will do. For this question, if 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 divided by 2 will be equal to 0. 0 by anything will be 0, but that is our mistake because now we have two operations, subtraction and division. But we will prefer this division because according to order of operation, we will solve the division first. So 4 divided by 2 will be equal to minus 2. And here it is 4. 4 minus 2 will be equal to 2, which will be our answer. Thank you for your support and your vote for my channel. Thank you.